Okay, Mr. Usman, you are there with us. Right now, I do tell you about the concept of the calling of the function. What is meant by the calling of the function, my dear? The
Yes, sir.
functions are subprograms that do not execute until they are called. What is meant by this? I do give you an example in order to make you learn this thing over here. My dear, if you want to hire the services of a servant over there in order to make a tea for you, whenever you wanna have the tea, all right, my dear,
Yes, sir.
what to do for this? First of all, you need to hire the services of a servant over there to make a tea for you. Second thing is there, whenever you will need to have a tea over there, what will you do? You will call the servant over there to make a tea for you. Are you getting, my dear?
Yes, sir.
My dear, I do tell you more about it. More specifically pertaining to the programming, I do tell you over here. See, my dear, you have written a code over there. That one is known as the function. The name of the function is square root. All right, my dear?
Yes, sir.
This function will not be executed itself until this function will be called. All right, my dear, did you get?
Yes, sir.
This function, that one is named square root, will not be executed itself. You will call this function. And when you will call this function will be executed. Are you getting, my dear?
Yes, sir.